Dubai Travel Guide. Everything you need to know. Welcome to our Dubai Travel Guide. Dubai is a city of contrasts, where traditional Arabic culture meets modern luxury. In this video, we'll take you on a tour of the top attractions, best food, and most exciting activities in this stunning destination. Whether you're planning a trip to Dubai or just dreaming about it, you won't want to miss this guide. Dubai is a city located in the United Arab Emirates, known for its luxury shopping, modern architecture, and lively nightlife. In this video, we'll be covering some of the best things to see and do in Dubai, so let's get started. First up, we have the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. This iconic skyscraper stands at a height of 828 meters and has a viewing deck on the 148th floor, offering stunning panoramic views of the city. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also book a ticket to go to the top, which is the highest outdoor observation deck in the world. Next, we have the Dubai Mall, one of the largest shopping centers in the world, with over 1,200 shops and numerous entertainment options. Here, you can shop for everything from luxury fashion to electronics, enjoy a movie at the cinema, or even go ice skating. For those interested in history and culture, a visit to the Dubai Museum is a must. Housed in the oldest building in Dubai, the museum showcases the city's rich history and heritage, with exhibits on traditional Emirati life, pearl diving, and the region's Islamic heritage. Another popular attraction in Dubai is the Palm Jumeirah, a man-made island shaped like a palm tree that is home to luxury hotels, resorts, and private residences. You can take a leisurely stroll along the palm-lined promenade, or book a boat tour to get a better view of the island and its stunning architecture. For those seeking adventure, the Dubai Desert Conservation Reserve offers a unique experience of the desert landscape. You can book a safari tour to go dune bashing, sandboarding, or even ride a camel. You can also enjoy a traditional Bedouin-style dinner under the stars, complete with belly dancing and live music. Next, we have the Dubai Miracle Garden, a colorful oasis in the middle of the desert. This flower garden features over 45 million flowers arranged in beautiful patterns and designs, making it the world's largest flower garden. For a taste of luxury, the Burj Al Arab Hotel is a must-visit. This iconic hotel is known for its distinctive sail-shaped design and luxurious amenities, including a private beach, infinity pool, and helicopter pad. Even if you can't afford to stay here, it's worth a visit to admire the impressive architecture and stunning views. The Dubai Fountain is another must-see attraction, located at the base of the Burj Khalifa. This fountain shoots water up to 500 feet in the air, choreographed to music and lights, making for a mesmerizing spectacle. If you're looking for a more relaxing way to spend your day, the Dubai Marina is the perfect place. This waterfront promenade is lined with restaurants, cafes, and boutiques, and offers stunning views of the city's modern skyline. Last but not least, we have the Dubai Creek, the historic heart of the city. Here, you can take an abra, a traditional wooden boat, across the creek to explore the old souks, or markets, on the other side. You can haggle for souvenirs, spices, and textiles, and experience the traditional trading culture of Dubai. That's all for our Dubai travel guide. We hope you found it helpful in planning your trip to this amazing city. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel guides, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching our Dubai travel guide. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour of this incredible city. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel content, and let us know in the comments which Dubai attraction you're most excited to visit. See you in the next video.